This section is on long division. So before we do long division with polynomials, I want to look at long division just with normal numbers. So I'm going to take 3 and divide it into 802. So maybe it's been a while since you've done long division, but 3 goes into 8 2 times, so I would put a 2 here. Then I would take 2 and multiply it by 3 to get 6. I put that here, and then I want to subtract these. So that would give me 2, and then you would want to bring down the 0. It would be 20. And then you would kind of start the process over. So how many times does 3 go into 20? That would be 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. And subtraction, I get 2. Bring down the 2. How many times does 3 go into 22? That is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract and I get 1. So you can either write remainder 1, and that's one of the ways to write it. So just listing it off to the side, that would be like this. And then listing it as a plus the remainder. So 267 plus, it would be the remainder over the divisor. So this would be plus 1 over 3. And that would be the other way. So that's kind of long division. So I want to do long division now with polynomials. So I'm going to take x plus 3 and divide it into x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. So when we're doing this, we're kind of going back and forth between looking at the entire polynomial and just the first terms. So I want to look at the x and the x cubed. And I need to ask myself, what do I need to multiply x by to get x cubed? And that would be x squared. So I'm going to put x squared above the x squared here. And then I need to multiply x squared by both of these. So that's going to give you x cubed plus 3x squared. And then I want to subtract these. And if I subtract them, then I'm going to get negative 1x squared. And then I want to bring down the negative x. And we start over. So what do I need to multiply x by to get negative 1x squared? And that would be a negative x. So I'm going to type, or not type, I'm going to write negative x there. And then I want to multiply negative x by both of those. So that's going to get me negative x squared minus 3x, and I'm subtracting those. So that's going to give me, well, the first terms go away. The first term should always go away if you pick the right number. So this would be 2x. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 1 plus 3, which is 2x. And then I'm going to bring down the 1, and that's going to be plus 1. And then I want to say, what do I need to multiply x by to get 2x? And that would be a 2. So this is plus 2. And then I want to multiply 2 by both of those. So 2 times x plus 3 is 2x plus 6. And then I'm subtracting that. And that's going to be 2x minus 2x goes away. Again, they should always go away. And then 1 minus 6 is going to give you negative 5. So this would be remainder negative 5. So that is one way to write it. And then again, they also want you to express it like that. So that would be x squared minus x plus 2 plus negative 5 over x plus 3. And that would be the other way to write it.